Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Nur Aina Nadia binti Sudirman and with me are Nurul Alia Syafiqah binti Abdullah, Wanur Alifah Syazwani binti Wan Yusli and Siti Nur Syakirah binti Muhammad Kamaruddin. Together, we will walk you through restaurant management system. Let's get started. For the introduction, the Nazura Restaurant Management System is a simple software that helps manage customer orders and daily sales at a restaurant. Customer can order from a menu with the main dishes, drink, and sides. The system will calculate the total cost, add tax, and give an itemized receipt with the chosen payment method. It tracks total sales for each category, which means main dishes, drinks, and sides, and update them. At the end of the day, it generates a sales report saved in a text file showing the highest and lowest selling item and average sale per customer. This system makes ordering, tracking sales, and reporting easier for restaurant staff, improving efficiency, and providing useful insight.
Now, let's look at the objective for the Nazura management system designed to streamline restaurant operations. First, this system allows customers to easily order main dish, beverage, and side dish directly from the menu. The goal is to create a smooth and user-friendly ordering experience. Next, the system will automatically calculate the total cost including tax for each customer. It will also provide an itemized receipt and offer payment method options such as cash, credit card, or debit card to ensure a seamless checkout process. The system will track and update total sales for each category, main dish, beverage, and side dish. Additionally, it will generate a sales summary to help monitor performance and sales trends. Finally, the system will automatically write a daily sales report to a text file. This report will include the highest and lowest sale categories, average sale per customer, allowing manager to quickly analyze sales data. This objective will help optimize restaurant operation, improve customer service, and provide valuable insight for better decision making. In this section, we'll discuss the key problems faced by restaurants in managing orders, tracking sales, and processing payments. The first issue is order management problems. The lack of an efficient system for handling customer orders can lead to errors in order processing such as incorrect item being selected, wrong quantities, and missing orders. This causes delay and customer dissatisfaction. The next issue is sales tracking problems. Without a proper system in place, tracking the daily sales for each category can be difficult. This leads to inaccurate sales data, affecting inventory management and financial reports. The absence of automated sales reports means restaurant manager may have to manually calculate total sales, which is time-consuming and prone to human error. This makes it difficult to analyze sales trends and identify the highest and lowest selling items. The last issue is customer payment problems. Without a proper payment method selection system, customers may face confusion or issue in choosing and processing methods such as cash, credit card, and debit card, leading to frustration during checkout. This issue highlights the need for an integrated restaurant management system to streamline ordering, sales tracking, reporting, and payment processing.
So, I will continue to the flowchart part, which is start with display menu for main dish, beverage, and side dish. Then it will initiate decision with process begins with the customer choosing whether they want to order main dish, beverage, or side dish. These decisions drive the flow. If they decide not to order, the process terminates. Otherwise, it continues to the respective menu category. Then, for ordering main dish, when the customer chooses to order a main dish, they are prompted to select a dish number. Each dish has a predefined price, which is displayed upon selection. The customer then specifies the quantity they like. After entering this information, they are asked if they want to order more main dish. If yes, the loop repeats. If no, we move on to the next step and it will repeat the same process for ordering beverage and side dish. For the billing and payment, once all items are selected, the system calculates the total cost including tax. So an itemized receipt is displayed. Showing the breakdown of all main dishes, beverage and side dish order, customer then choose their preferred payment method such as cash, credit card, debit card and e-wallet. After the payment is processed, the order details are saved and the system updates the daily sales file. So, for the generating reports, at the end of the day, the system generates a comprehensive sales report. These include details such as the highest and the lowest sales category, the average sales per customer, and other key metrics. This insight help the restaurant management track performance and make data-driven decisions. So, I will conclude this flowchart. This flowchart highlights a well-structured approach to restaurant management. From taking customer orders to generating reports, it ensures efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. So, by automating key tasks, it minimizes error and saves times for both staff and customers.
The program starts with inclusion of necessary libraries, IOStream, IOManim, and SStream. We also using namespace std to simplify the code. Before diving into the main function, we declare three important functions, which is display menu, calculate total, and calculate payment. The core of the program lies in the main function. We start by declaring variables to hold various pieces of data, such as item number, quantities, price, and total for each category of the order, including main dish, beverage, and side dish. The core functionality lies in the processing customer order through a loop. For each customer, the program asks, do you want to order a main dish? Based on the response, the customer input the item number and the quantity, and then asks if the user want to order main dish again for item. The program uses a switch case statement to assign prices to each item, calculate the subtotal, repeat this process for beverage by using if-else selection. The next slide, the program asks, do you want to order side dish? In this section, we use array in the selection of price. The program continues to prompt the customer for more items until they choose not to order anymore. Once the customer finishes selecting their item, the program moves on to calculate the final bill. First, it sums up the total price of the main dish, beverage, and side dish. Then it applies a 6% sales tax to the subtotal using calculate payment function. The tax amount is added to the total price, providing the final amount that the customer must pay. This ensures that the bill is accurate and includes all necessary charges. After the order and payment calculation are complete, the program generates a receipt for the customer. The receipt displays the item order, their quantities and prices, and the final total with the tax. This ensures that the customer has a clear and comprehensive summary of their order. In addition to handling customer orders, the program also creates a sales report. This report includes the total sale for each category, main dish, beverage, and side dish, as well as the highest and lowest sale. The sale data is written to a file called sales report txt using a fstring library. This file can be used for further analysis or record keeping. If the program encounters an issue while trying to write to the file, an error message will be displayed. Report is successfully saved, providing valuable insight into the restaurant's sales performance. After that, the main function, we define three important functions: display menu, calculate total, and calculate payment. The display menu function is responsible for showing the customer the restaurant available item, helping them to make their selection. It prints the menu in a well-organized format using Cout. The menu is divided into three categories: main dish, beverage, and side dish. Each item has a unique number and price, making it easy for customer to select. The calculate total function calculates the total cost of an item based on its unique price and the quantity ordered. Finally, calculate payment computes the sales tax and update the final total to the customer that the customer need to pay. These functions are central to the smooth operation of the program. The next slide show the output and input. The last slide is an example of output file.